All right, my minions. Emergency preparedness for Training Thursday. Another emergency preparedness video. This one is simple, and you get to play with fire. So, you know me, you know my brother Mike from Mike's Car Hole. We discuss a lot of different things. We've got some collaborative videos, and the man is a car genius. As my mechanical guru there. His link will be in his description below. But he gave me this idea, and it's all about waterproofing matches. Now you can go out and you can buy waterproof matches, and they're supposed to work whenever, you know, even if while they're wet. But you can also waterproof them yourself. And all that takes is simply, you need matches, which I got a box here. This is just some basic diamond. This is your basic diamond stick matches. These are green tipped here. So, you'll need a candle. Any candle will do. You just need the wax. So, your wax, put wax on the candles, and guess what? The water can't get to it. And you'll need some kind of fire, some kind of source to light, you know, to light the candles with. Now we're going to experiment here. I've got 3 candles that I've done already. I've already waterproofed these. There's 3 here ahead of time. Then we're going to conduct a little experiment. We're actually going to, you know, waterproof one match. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Again, it's simple. It's just putting wax on the candles. I mean, putting wax on the matches. But then we're also going to test it out. You know, we're going to strike a regular match, and we're going to wet a match to see if it still works. And then we're going to wet the waterproof match, take the wax off, and see if it still works. So let's do this. So first, I'm gonna walk you through, and let me adjust this camera. All right, so now we're down and below, and now you'll be able to see much better how I'm doing this. And I'm gonna try to block the wind here. It's super windy. I probably should have did this shit inside. Is my mic still on? There you go. We'll put the 3 already done matches aside. Take out one match. You can even keep it on the napkin. I use a napkin, it catches the wax. Come on. All right, so as you can see, it's super windy out. We might have to relocate inside to conduct this experiment. I like being outside. It was a beautiful day out, but it did storm last night. Let's give it one more try, and if not, we're gonna go inside. All right. The weather is dictating otherwise. The weather has told me no. So let me pause this. We're gonna relocate inside, and we'll get this started. All right, so here we go. And we're in the training den. I got my turtle behind me that I need to relocate. The birds are gone. They're upstairs. They're not gone. They're just, I moved them upstairs. So, all right, as we were. So, let's play fire. So, it's as simple as lighting this, light your candle. It doesn't take long for that wax to and it's dripping on the candle now. And so as you see a little bit more, you can literally lay it on the napkin and just let the wax drip on it. And then you can even roll it in. Let me see if I can bring y'all a little closer. And again, that's why the paper towels here is you get wax all over everything. You can drip the wax on it. It'll drip, and then you can roll it around to get it into the right spot that you want. And don't forget to twirl the camera a little bit as well. So, get a different angle. Once you get the wax off, set that off to the side. You let it dry a little bit, and then you can actually start to mold. I didn't let it dry enough. Start to mold the wax around it. You want to let it dry a little bit. It's got to be a little bit consistent. And there you go. You get a wax tip match. My goodness. All right. So now let's see. Let's move this back up a little bit more. Pull that back there. All right. So we got the pre-made ones already. These are the 3 pre-made candle matches. I cannot talk today for save my damn life. So you got your standard match. All right. This is already just dry. This is a cheap box, mind you, so bear with me. But bam. Basic match. It strikes, it lights. Okay. Now we're on wet this one. We got water right here. So that's wet. It will not light. It got wet. It just, and I'll show you, it just cakes up. So this part here, the part that it strikes with, it just cakes up. If I can get closer, it just cakes up on the match and builds up. All right, so now you have a pre-made match, all right? So, pre-made, pre-waterproofed. This is the one I already did to save time. So, wetting it. All right. Take the wax off. I'm taking the wax off now, after I already wet it. The part that you're protecting is the tip. The stick itself might get saturated, and you know, that'll just reduce the burn time. It'll reduce the burn time, but what I want is to make sure that the tip stays dry. Now let's see. I'm gonna use this side because that side might be wet and caked up. Look at that. And there you have it. That is waterproofing your matches there. Something simple. You know, put it together, put the wax on the tip, throw them in a Ziploc bag, you're good to go. If it gets wet, as you can see, then the wax does work. Peel the wax off, do what you gotta do. So, that's what I have for you. Simple, simple, sweet and simple. Waterproof your matches. You don't have to spend extra on waterproof matches and special containers and all that. Get a Ziploc bag, waterproof tip, wax the tip, you were good to go. You should already have matches in your kit. Make sure you have candles for emergencies when the lights go out. There's all stuff you already have in your emergency supplies, and you're just bringing them together and getting multiple uses out of them. So, so thank you for being here. I hope you learned something here. I'm gonna have to go back and review this. I hope I got everything in the camera right. But I hope you learned something there. I hope this is beneficial to you. And just stay tuned. We got some more emergency preparedness tips for you to come. So, please like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Oh my, I need a nap. And comment down below. I'll respond to everything, and I will see you next time. Thank you.